Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today's tip or trick is all about kitchen utensils or kitchen items that you can't live without and making sure that you treat them very well so they can last a long time. Now, as a chef, you probably already know that the go-to for most of us, the item that like, oh, what can you not live without, chef? It's usually gonna be my knife. Like if I have my knife, I can do so many different things and I feel comfortable with doing my knife that I can pretty much cook anything. And with a chef knife, the reason why we say a chef knife is I make sure that with whatever chef knife I'm using, I can do everything I need to do with this knife. I can debone, I can fillet, I can use it as a paring knife, I can take the skin off a fish, everything from my chef knife. But outside of my knife, because most of the time, if you're a home cook, you might not revere your knife the same way. I have two things that I really cannot live without, or I would rather not live without as far as utensils in the kitchen. And one is my spatula. I love a nice hard plastic spatula like this. This is like perfect because when you are somewhere, if I'm showing up at different kitchens, I'm a personal chef, right? I keep this in my knife kit. So in my knife bag, I always have a small one like this. Very easy to carry, very lightweight. I travel a lot, so weight inside my bags is very important. But this one is great because of the fact that it is a high temperature spatula. I say high temperature because it is not heat proof. If you leave your spatula inside of the boiling pots, it still will slowly melt down or like go discolor it. So high temperature spatula, but I can use this for so many different things, just from scrambling eggs in the morning, stirring different soups, getting together anything in a mixing bowl. Like this is probably one of my biggest tools that I use outside of my chef knife. So this one is really nice and it's pretty much my go-to. The second one is a little bit different and it's kind of like one of those things where I also get asked, I kind of combine this into the gadgets that we buy. Like, cause I talked about like not buying gadgets on this show, on this channel that you are not gonna use a lot of times. I love my stand mixer. So having my stand mixer here, and this is just a nice little one that goes together. And it's very, very easy. Different brands. You can buy whatever brand fits your lifestyle. I like this one because it comes apart and it's an Emulsion Blender. And the thing is that I travel so much. So in my lifestyle, I could, but really, really bad traveling. I cannot have a big blender, Vitamix or, Ninja that I carry around. But so many things I can quickly get done with this stand mixer, with this stick blender, so easy. So this stick blender here is like one of the things I definitely use so much. And I say that because I'm not bashing people when I say stop buying things that you don't use. If you use it, please buy it. I use this one so much that like, I probably use this at least twice a week. And I know you're thinking like, oh, twice a week is not a lot. For me, it's a really good amount because what you don't understand is I don't cook a lot at home. So like if I'm using it, I'm prepping, I'm doing stuff. It's so great for prep. It's really, really good. So these two are my go-to outside of my chef knife. Just want you to think about what is your go-to item in your kitchen? What do you use a lot of? And if you are investing in different utensils or equipment in your kitchen and you're just like, I don't know what to buy next, look at what you're using the most. And if you are putting more money into something, put it into that. If you use your spatula a lot, spend an extra $5 to $7 to get a better spatula. It's gonna last a lot longer and you use it all the time. So hope that helps. I will see you next time. Don't forget to do all the things, like, subscribe, turn those notifications. Hope you've been enjoying the channel. I've been enjoying you guys. Thank you so much. See you.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.